Hey, it's me, Leah, and today we're going to talk about this. I'm super excited. It's a smart ceiling light fan, voice controlled, cool and warm, group control, music sync, 6 speeds, forward reverse, app dimming, 16 million colors. And it looks like a beautiful chandelier. So we're going to get this opened up, put together, and installed and show you how beautiful this looks. I'm super excited. I've always wanted one of these in my house, and I finally got one. This was gifted to me for review, and this is going to look phenomenal. So this is pretty much arrived pre-assembled. There's not much you need to do. There's an extender if you need an extender, and your mounting base, and your remote control. So let's go get this installed and show you how beautiful this is going to look.
Want me to push up on it?
No, we're gonna get this right. Yeah. There you go. There you go. There's this. Where's those cap covers?
Cap cover?
Yeah. But, all
There you
right.
go. There you go. There you go.
I know you always.
So what's neat is this is remote control operated. And you can really like set the ambiance in your room. We have the app download, and we're going to go through all the different settings to really see these settings. Really, I like this Iceland blue.
Hut in the sun. Wind chime.
Night service.
Oh, there's hundreds. We're here.
Okay. There's so many options in this app. It's amazing what you can do with this. And you can control the fan speed as well. So the app has so many features between the lights. I wonder what nature is. Oh, that's really pumping out some speed. It's gifted to me free for review, and this is a very robust app and a very robust fan, and I'm so happy I got this. It was super easy to install. It literally took seconds because I already had a light in there, and I highly recommend this.